Welcome to So Black Family, where Black creativity, culture, and courage comes to life. Blessings, y'all. Welcome back to Creative Protection 101. I'm Queen So Black, and if you're here, that means you've officially filed your copyright. But now you're sitting there like, so what happens next? Do I wait? Do I chill? Do I like sage over my application and pray? Today, we're breaking down what to expect after you file, how to protect your work in the meantime, and how to let the world know this content is taken, beloved. Handle it accordingly. Let's get into it. Now, first up, once you hit submit, you'll get an email from the U.S. Copyright Office. That's your receipt. Next, your application gets dropped into a review queue like the DMV, but with less bad attitude. Listen, I don't know about y'all, but the DMV folks can work my nerves like nobody's business. And now, you wait. The timeline can be 3 to 8 months depending on how backed up they are. So no, you're not being ignored. It's just government speed processing. And they are slow as molasses. Now listen, love. That email is more than just a thanks for filing. It's your proof of claim. It shows your official filing date, gives you a case number, and tells you from this day forward, your work is protected. So if you ever need to prove when you file, this is your receipt. So screenshot it, print it, save it to the cloud, whatever you got to do. But this is your insurance policy in progress. Now, don't just sit there biting your nails for 5 months. You've got moves to make. First, add copyright pending to your content, like your bios, websites, YouTube videos, wherever you post. You can also watermark your images or drop a little bold text that says, "Don't try it. This work is legally pending. I said what I said." Well, not in those words, but you get what I'm saying. Now, this right here, your best friend, the copyright notice. Drop this at the bottom of your work, in your captions, or even in your email signature. It tells people, this ain't that community booty. This is mine, respectfully. You can still do this even before the certificate arrives. And it adds extra weight to your claim if anybody gets bold. And let's be clear, even while your copyright is pending, you're not helpless. If somebody tries it, you can hit them with a DMCA takedown or a good old-fashioned cease and desist. The only thing you can't do yet is file a lawsuit for damages. For that, you'll need the certificate in hand. So hopefully, don't nobody try it. But if they do, just know you got some options. But when that approval finally hits, child, it's go time. Once approved, you get the right to sue if needed and collect damages, whether it's $500 or $150,000. They'll email you a digital certificate and send a paper one too. Frame it, screenshot it, hang it next to all your other achievements. Just know you now got the full power of the law on your side. But real talk, you've already ahead of the game. Most people don't even file. They just pray their work doesn't get stolen. But you filed, you documented, you put a date on your brilliance. Now walk like it's protected Because, baby, it is. Okay, that's a wrap on episode 3B. In the next few episodes, I'm breaking down how to send DMCA takedown notices, when to use the cease and desist, and we'll do a quick recap on copyright versus trademark. Now, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't let nobody remix your vision without license.